Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Yo, what's up mga kapatid? Elmo na naman nga pala nagbabalik. What a beautiful weather today, guys. Yo, Sunday afternoon, guys, and going to play basketball today. It's my day off, so yeah. It's a good weather, sunny. It's not cold. And it's been a long time that I didn't play basketball though. So yeah. Let's see if I can still play. I'm just gonna do shooting. Lapit na ako, guys. Ito nabili kong atis pan. Ang laki. Kakaiba man. Medyo mahal siya pero binili ko kasi ang laki niya. Atis ba to? Kakaiba siya man. Agad ng mga to, batak. Ay, palit muna tayo, palit. Nagre-record. Madaya, madaya. May nagagawa sa takbit ngayon, walang mababantay. Oh, oh. Hey. Malaw niya. Ano naman? Wala pang panalo. Kahit isa. Malas. Isang gulo po.
Para sa birthday mo.
Birthday mo naman eh. Uwi yan na. Alam mo na. Uwi yan na.
Oh, di ba? The more you game.
Siswimming muna ako.
Ano ka ba? Eh, sige na, dami kang ano, spot eh.
Sabi na madulas ka din. Mabalik ka bilis. No bat?
Hindi. Hindi niya alam kung paano. Pidutin mo yan, sa right. Diinan mo. I-twist mo muna yung key. Yan, hold mo. Yun, patayin mo yung ilaw.
Ay, stop ko yan, ano ko yan.
Naka-automatic yan, kaya...
Sakit tayo, pagdaw tayo. Sakit ka, pagdaw tayo, tulong ba?
Sa believers na nandun sa kaibigan ko. Aling ko na.
Pag ano daw, pag full ba to, ilang oras po?
Pag full charge yan,
Mga 3 oras na biyahe.
85 kilometers yung kain.
85 kilometers po.
Quality.
Ayun, 50 lang eh. 55.
Di ba pwede man-load yan? Pwede load. Mas mana, mas
I-modify mo. Makukulo ka.
Uy mo, big bike.
Yung iba may upuan na yun.
Uy, kulay pink.
Kulay mink. Mink na mink. Mink na mink. Alcohol mo si Sarlin kung ano. Kung nakauwi na sila.
Ganda. Bili nga ako 3. Ayok. Burger King. Burger. Good trip. Nauna. Grabe to talaga.
Traveling not afraid of combat. Keep it real and full of zombie. I met a string lady. She make me nervous. Keep me in and give me a breakfast. And I say, we come from Gilly Manor. Magic mushroom for breakfast. Sometime don't come to Gilly Manor if you're scared of mosquito. Yo, bro.
Yeah. Sorry, I wasn't ready. I got
Yes,
some.
it's your time.
It's my time. Shit. Fuck it.
Definitely.
Put the book down, man, cause I'm chilling out in Gilly, man, and we don't need a plan, man, we just go and have a good time. Yeah, I got a couple of rhymes, and I can spit them, I'm just chilling with the clan in a place called Brotherhood, and you know it's all good, he be hitting the drum, and I just play dumb, cause I got a bag of freestyles I can bust out anytime,